Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can share a screen on Discord mobile. It's really easy, and if I go on my servers and if I join, for example, Among Us voice chat and join voice, as you can see here on the bottom there is a little share screening icon, right? And probably you don't have this one, because first what you need to do here, you need to join Discord testers server, and this icon will appear after that. So I will leave the link in the description of the server that you need to join. So now I already joined, but as you can see here, if I go on my notes, this is basically the link, and if I click, as you can see here, this is the server, Discord testers, accept invite. And after you basically join the server, you need to on the bottom you must be a member for at least 10 minutes, and to send message in the server you basically need to wait for 10 minutes. And after you joined the server with 10 minutes, if you go back on the server that you want to share a screen, basically this little broadcasting icon will appear, as you can see here, and now I can start a broadcast. But as you can see here, I can't do that because I'm now basically screen mirroring my phone screen on my computer to basically record this video. But for you it will work if you're not screen mirroring your phone. Alright, so guys, that's the process. I will leave the link in the description of the server that you want to join, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.